Hey guys, I've always been a fan of Southern comfort food. It's so easy to make, so economical. I decided to make up these drop biscuits in sausage gravy, the ultimate comfort food. You're gonna love it. Let me show you how to do it and let's get started. Okay guys, before we get started here, I'm going to do a quick review of this Magiccos food processor that a company sent me. I really like it because sometimes you get food processors that are way too small. There's nothing you can do with them. This is a perfect size and it is powerful. And it comes with 3 blades, and of course your mashing blade, your slicing blade, and your shredding blade that I use quite a bit. Actually, I use them all quite a bit. It's got your 2 cutters. It's got the normal one, and the great thing about this is it's got the dough attachment for it, and we're going to use that today because it works absolutely great with dough. And of course your little spatula for for scraping the sides. Complete instruction manual, and what I like with a lot of these products is your fast reference guide. So we're just going to remove the top, and of course you have your plunger and everything right here. Take the ring out, which all of your slicers go on top of, and you have a really nice sized bowl, which I like about this. Some of them come with a tiny little bowl you virtually can't do anything in. And I'm going to put my dough attachment inside. Just slips in just like that. And we'll clamp the top back on, and you get the beep, and I'm just going to show you some of the features. Okay, and you've got your settings here after you've turned the unit on. So you've got your crushed ice and your meat mode, which I really like because you can make your own ground beef in it. I'm definitely going to try that. Haven't tried it as of yet. And your smoothie mode. And then you've got your minimum, and you can turn it up. It's all digital, right to your maximum. So I'm just going to fire this up and give it a dry run, so to speak. I won't speak while I'm doing it, but of course you've got your minimum, your maximum, as I said before, and your timer on here. So let's just go ahead and fire this up. Really nice unit. And you're going to see it in action when we make the dough here today. Alrighty then, let's make those yummy biscuits with 3 cups of flour, and this is just all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Now this might seem like a lot, but we want a good rise on this. A good pinch of salt, I'd say about half a teaspoon. Okay, we'll just go ahead and give these dry ingredients a couple of pulses, just so it's nicely combined. Now, of course, you can do this in a mixing bowl too if you don't have the good old Magiccos. Now I'm going to add in a stick and a half of butter, and if you want that in cups or whatever, I'm just going to do the conversions in the blog, of course. And this is cold butter and unsalted. Oh, I love me butter. And I'm just going to go ahead and pulse this until it's nice and crumbly. It kind of helps, guys, if you put the little plunger in there. Next up, I'm going to add 1.25 cups of that creamy, wonderful buttermilk in. You can use regular milk, but I just like buttermilk. And about half at a time. And we'll just go ahead and pulse once more with the top on. The rest of the buttermilk. And a pulsing we will go. And we mix this, guys, until we get a dough texture, something like this. This is about perfect. Then what we're going to do, my friends, is take my handy dandy ice cream scoop, scoop up some of the biscuit mixture, and place it on a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper. You can use 2 spoons if you like, but I just like the old concept of the ice cream scoop. Alright, now we're going to slip this into a 400 degree Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius preheated oven for about 15 to 17 minutes, just until they're nicely browned. Okay, to make our wonderful sausage gravy, I'm going to take 4 honey sausages, which is about half a kilo or a pound, and just crumble them up. Now you can use Italian, whatever you like. And of course I've removed the casing on these. Now I'm going to add my crumbled sausage to a pan over medium-high heat. What a crummy thing to do. And we'll just fry this up until it's nicely browned and cooked through. After our sausage is nicely browned here, I'm going to take 1/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour and add half in. Give this a stir around till the sausage is coated. Add in the rest. And the sausage is going to look just about too dry, and that's what we want. Add in 3 cups of milk. Season this up with some salt. And I'd say everything's about half a teaspoon. Some ground black pepper, my all-time favorite. Some onion powder. And again about half a teaspoon, but you can be the boss. You can add any spice to this you like, actually. And some garlic powder. Yeah, we'll just give this a stir up and bring it to a boil. So after a boil here, it's beginning to thicken. I'm just going to reduce the heat a little bit down to a simmer and let it simmer for a few minutes until it thickens a little bit more. And just look at this sausage gravy, guys. Pure creamy goodness. Ooh, doggies. So I'm just going to kill the heat and we're good to go. Now I'm going to pour some of that delicious gravy over the biscuits. And there you have it, guys, our drop biscuits and sausage gravy, the ultimate comfort food, simply delicious. Okay, let's go ahead and dig in and taste these. Just look at this, guys. These also make a great finger food if you want to dip them, so I'm just going to go ahead and dip this in some gravy. Just look at this. Okay, in the tummy. Guys, I just love the texture of these biscuits. It's got that homey, earthy flavor to it. The texture of the biscuits is just fantastic. I love that sausage gravy. The ultimate biscuits and gravy. You gotta make this. So good, I'm gonna have more. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. Site's been totally revamped. It's just beautiful. You could spend days over there. And to find out more information on this Magiccos food processor, check the links below. I put lots in the description. Just a wonderful food processor if you're thinking of getting one. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you next time.